back to 1275 Midget, the birth of a race car, chronicling my journey from a full restoration build to the MG Owners Club 2022 Speed Series. In this episode we're going to fit the front wheel arch back on. So already as part of the cutting, I'd cut back the wheel arch. The inside edge is pretty good, so I've just got the repair kit for the outside. We've got the lip on the front footwell that we're going to weld onto, and I've cut out the triangle support piece here that goes in. That's going to have to be replaced once the arch is on. The arch itself, this is the arch that you can buy. What I've done here is already put the spot weld holes all the way around the outside and finish those back ready for welding. So when we offer that up now, you can see how it would go together. So next step before we weld that on is to clamp it up and possibly put a tack weld in to hold it in place. But as you can see, not too difficult a job, this one. Clamped up and in place. I've just used the line at the edge here as a guide for fitment. Have to hammer this edge down here, and I put a tack at the top here just to hold it all in place temporarily, just to make sure I'm happy. So now we've got 6mm holes here, so I can plug weld all the way around that and get that in place. And then once we've done that, we can flip the body up and have a look at the supporting triangle that goes in this corner. All finished up, so just some seam sealer just to get in those seams now, and put some primer on just to protect the metal. Okay, and then we'll flip it up and do the corner piece. So out of an old bit of bodywork here, just fabricated up this triangle. I don't think the size is too precious to go into this corner. The only challenge I've had is because of the metal in the corner, it doesn't quite fit. So I'm going to have to relieve the corner just so I can get it to go in correctly. So we'll do that now. So my support piece is in. It's welded in. No prizes for pretty welding, but I figure it's underneath the car and it'll be covered in under seal anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. But these joins here, I'm going to seam sealer those and then just give it a quick red oxide to finish off, and then that's the front wing repair complete.